Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to my polytunnel. Just thought I'd give you a quick update. That's my planting station thingy that I'm using at the moment. The nasturtiums in the hanging baskets doing brilliant, so these will be going outside soon. I planted 7 moneymaker tomatoes, and down the side I thought I'll do a quick crop of radishes, and they're coming through now, so give it another week or so and then I'll plant seeds across the front. I've also planted up all my buckets along the back. Whoops. They don't look very full at the moment, because what I will be doing as they get bigger, I'm going to basically like earth them up, so the bottom leaves will turn into roots and they'll be able to take more water on. That's why they're only half full, the buckets are. These are, the majority of those are San Marzane tomatoes, and I don't know what sort of tomatoes, and some seeds, and I've just potted up some black Tuscany kale and some sprouts, and I've just sown some courgette seeds, pumpkin seeds. The courgette is Tondo and the pumpkin is Turk's Turban. There's a few runner beans and sweet corn in the cardboard tubes. But this is today's. I've done nothing really. Nothing apart from watering for the past few weeks, because I've been rather busy cooking and preserving. I planted some lettuce seeds for cut and come again. Half of them came up, but the other half didn't. Don't know why. There's spring onions in the bottom one. I planted lettuce seeds in the top one, but it's done nothing. My potatoes going strong there. I've got some over by my summer house, and my cloche thing that I made. Under it I planted out some dwarf French beans. I could only get 9 of the plants under it, so the other 3 are fending for themselves. So we'll see if there's a difference. I put eggshells and sheep's wool around because, as you know, I've been plagued by slugs before. My broad beans are coming up slowly though, very slowly. All those beetroot seeds and the turnip seeds I put in, none of them came up. So I redid it and still none. So I don't know about that. I've got my onions in here and they're coming up well as weeds. I've tried to get the hoe in there, but it's been raining off and on today, so it's a bit pointless. My seat that was here the other week when I did come out here, I sat on it and it collapsed. The seat did, the archway didn't, but the seat did. The screws had rusted through, and so I took them down and I thought, right, I'll have runner beans and French climbing beans, Cobra, running up. So I've got them all here. As soon as they start to want to climb on things, I've got this at the back, and everything, then they can climb up it, and hopefully I'll have a crop there. We'll see. It's still a mess here. This is where my sweet corn is going down, and I've only just planted the seeds, so I've got basically a month in which to sort it out. But look, the bindweed has started growing again in here, because I haven't done in here yet. I haven't got the energy or the time to do it all, so what I think I'm going to do is pull out the majority of it and still plant tomatoes in there, and then next year dig out the soil and go through it, same as I did for the polytunnel. But behind here is my rhubarb, and rhubarb's doing well, but it's just, I don't seem to have the time. I've been that busy the past few weeks. It's unbelievable. Either, you know, I spend a day or so a week sewing, or a day or so a week in the garden, and you can tell that with me hurting me back when the seat collapsed, I just ignored the garden and it's gone a bit nuts. But I'm not giving up this year. I gave up last year, and I can't give up this year. I'm not a quitter. I'm going to carry on. Won't have much apart from loads of weeds, but thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.